Welcome to Payment Guarantee. We all know how difficult it can sometimes be when trying to recover an invoice from a customer who is, for example, bankrupt or has other reasons why he is not able or capable to pay your invoices. But how can you make sure you get paid nevertheless? Don't worry, we got you covered. We are pleased to offer insurance in cooperation with our partner called Coface, so that in the worst case you will be paid 90% of the invoice. For a low fee of just 1.99% of your invoice amount, you can hit the road with a peace of mind. So how does this work? Of course, first of all, you will have to apply for the payment guarantee. You can do this easily in two different ways. The first and easiest way is to use the Fright overview. You select the Fright and click on the right on Payment Guarantee. You will then immediately see a window open with pre-filled information. We strongly recommend that you always double-check the information in order to avoid any mistakes. Please note that the amount to guarantee has to be a minimum of 250 euros. Now when you fill in the invoice amount, you can see on the right hand the amount you would have to pay based on the 1.99% of your invoice amount. Also, you will see the amount you have guaranteed. Please do note that this insurance is only valid if you have purchased it before taking the Fright from the customer. Again, this insurance is only to protect yourself, so that if you do not receive payment for the Fright you have accepted, instead of 0, you will receive 90%. Please read the terms and conditions and checkmark that you have read them. Then click on Buy Guarantee. If this is your first request, you will receive an automated email to verify your identity. You will be asked to upload your UBO and identity card, so please make sure that you are authorized to do this on behalf of your company. In this new window, you find a summary of your request. Please double check if the information is correct and click on Done. We are not quite done yet. The next step is to go to your payment guarantee dashboard if you aren't there already. You can get there by going to the top, click on Payments and then on Payment Guarantee to enter the dashboard. This dashboard holds all your previous requests of the payment guarantee. On the top you see the most recent one, and as you can see, it is missing some dates. Click on it and a new window appears. Please be aware that before filling in this information, it is extremely important that you check with the customer when the invoice was drawn up and what the final payment due date is. Once you have this information, please fill in. And click on Add Dates. After loading, you will see now on the top the status has changed to Guaranteed. You have now guaranteed your invoice. This was the first way of doing this. There's a second option. You can also request a payment guarantee directly from the dashboard. Again, you go to the top to Payments, next to Payment Guarantees. On the top right, you find New Guarantee. Click on this button and the window will reappear. Again, this works exactly the same. You fill in the company name, ID or VAT number. It will then find the company you are looking for. Select it and fill in the amount to guarantee. Again, you see the amount that is guaranteed and the amount you have to pay based on the 1.99% of the invoice amount. Again, read the terms and conditions, checkmark that you have read them, and buy the guarantee. Click on Done. If you're not automatically being redirected to your dashboard, please go to Payments again and click on Payment Guarantees. As you can see, it is again missing the dates. So please remember to always come back to the dashboard and verify the missing dates of the invoice. If you do not do this, it will not be processed and you are not guaranteed. Now you have guaranteed your invoices. Would you like to cancel a payment guarantee, for example because the order has been cancelled? Do not attempt to do this yourself. Please contact our customer service and they will support you. However, it is important that you know that this is only possible in the same calendar month. Now you know how to request the payment guarantee. Also, it is important that you understand how to appeal for it. In case you need to appeal for the payment guarantee, it is important that we are aware of the situation. For that purpose, you can go to the top next to Teleroute, select Community Manager, and a new window will appear. This is the window of the Community Manager. In the top, you will find Debt Mediation. Click on it. Yet again, a new window will appear. Select New Case. Please select all your transport documents, follow the steps, and a case will be logged. We recommend that the first time you use this, you contact our customer service to guide you through it. Should you have any questions about payment guarantee, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service. Thank you.